Welcome to ANDRITZ Custos. Coating is a complex finishing stage in the paper and board production. We listen to our customer about their biggest challenges in the coating process and what they are looking for when investing in state-of-the-art technology. Here's what they shared with us. Savings in resources and energy. Best possible machine reliability and availability, easy and safe operation, equipment with high degree of automation, clean environment, best printability and surface functionality, compact design and easy rebuilds.
In order to reach highest process reliability with best coating results, we have intensively studied coating color behaviors and flow mechanisms inside the units. The geometries of all our different coating nozzles were optimized so as to eliminate dead zones. Best runnability and longer cleaning intervals result in reduced downtime. Trouble-free operation and the prevention of agglomeration and plugging is for sure a key advantage of all our sizing and coating units. Let's take a closer look at the ANDRITZ coater portfolio and its advantages.
Our new Prime Film generation is equipped with carbon fiber beams, enabling uniform, double-sided sizing, pigmenting or coating. Even special barrier coating of paper and board is possible with our highly sophisticated film presses.
Our blade coaters are the means of choice for requirements such as wide operating windows for coat weight and viscosity. They are designed for high cleanliness during operation and improved accessibility.
The new compact design of the PrimeCoat curtain has a reduced footprint and is perfect for rebuilds of existing paper and board machines or new installations. Combined with the maintenance-free nozzle system, it delivers reproducible and high-quality results, reduced waste, and provides best coverage.
From a project manager's point of view, easy rebuilds and shortest possible installation times in production are the key factors for successful projects. The compact design of the PrimeCoat units enables our customers to retrofit existing coater sections even under unfavorable space conditions and facilitates accessibility and oversight. Our plug-and-play systems ensure quick and easy installations and fast startups in the desired quality.
A global megatrend is the substitution of plastic and polymers with environmentally friendly paper and board. Together with our customers, we have developed advanced solutions for barrier coating of paper and boards. Our PrimeCoat curtain with its new edge guide system enabling precise inboard coating without beads on the coating edges is just one example for ANDRITZ advanced solutions.
This was a brief introduction into the ANDRITZ coating portfolio.
All these innovations and functionalities are part of ANDRITZ's contribution to a sustainable future.
Please do not hesitate to contact us with any coating-related questions.